As you can see, the population had passed 7 billion in the initial year 2014. The people belong to many different countries we spread worldwide. Just think about it. The kind amount of people, how much other countries are there in the world? This situation leads to many impacts to content both merits and shortcomings. In addition, nowadays, as a major function of globalization, combination of countries is becoming a vital issue. Along the fluctuation of international affairs, where powers will to exercise their influence on their country, especially the field of power, it includes country expansion.
The other picture illustrates Captain America, which is an imaginary hero of the USA. During the Second World War, a man called Steve Rogers was rejected from the duty because of his sickly condition. However, a scientist realized his determination and allowed him to serve in the army. Later, he recognized that he was the first man in a government project changing people to super soldiers. The scientist was then assassinated, so Steve became the only maximum potential human as a result of the experiment. In the both of two movies, Fra Mulan and Captain America, we recognize the differences in the way heroes build into particular countries. Fa Mulan, as well as other unofficial historical films, demonstrates a noticeable feature to note that heroes commonly have magnificent tactics. For example, Wei Zetian, one of the best emperors among many reigns of China, ruled the Li dynasty prosperously. Not to mention Yolang, an efficient strategist contributed to many Liu Bei exploits. Meanwhile, in America, movie directors occasionally make a hero as an illustration of incredible strength. Specifically, Steve was made an injection of miracle drugs. From a weakling, he became a superhero leading a military detachment. The way characters are built indicates the expansion involving brutality amendments race.
The cultural diversity creates a colorful background, which in every piece presents a different identity. If we put them in wrong arrangement, it totally be a mess, and so incapable of making a magnificent work of art.
Over many decades, the racist world, which is a product of cultural class, had maintained and caused the inequity to people who come from the underdeveloped countries and have low cultural standard. The question today is whether or not we can preserve our identity, meanwhile receiving others' flow in.